In this video, we're covering the area of a triangle this time. So any side of the triangle can be called its base, and the height of a triangle is the distance from that base to the opposite vertex. Now, a vertex is just the name for a point. So you can see two triangles there. The height is given differently in both triangles, but it's important to note that that's the height we use, all right? Again, the base, as you can see, is pointing to one of the sides of the triangles. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to create our formula. So here we have our generic area of a triangle shape, just a normal triangle. And we know area is going to be half the base. Let me put the times in there. So half times the base times the height. Now you may have seen that before. So 1 over 2 BH. That's the general formula we use for finding the area of a triangle. Now, here we have a basic triangle, and I'm going to use that formula to find its area. So again, area equals a half base times height. So in our example, the half stays, the base is 4.2, and my height is 3. Now, if you put that into a calculator and get your answer, it's 6.3. We go over and look at our units. It's in centimeters, so centimeters. And because we're dealing with area, it's centimeters squared. All right? So again, half the base times the height. Now, if we're looking at this triangle again, this here is my height, and this here is my base. This 7 is a trick. Alright, we're not actually going to be using that in our calculation. So again, area equals 1 over 2 BH, so base times height. So 1 over 2 times my base, which is 8, times my height, which is 6, and that comes out as 24. Go over and look at my units. It's in meters, so put my M there, and its area, so squared. So again, for triangles, the area is half the base times the height. Be careful which lengths and sides you're using. Make sure you're using the correct ones for height and the correct ones for base.